In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link slides and embed videos in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for a class, a meeting, or just for fun, these skills will make your slides more dynamic and engaging. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Google Slides, open a new tab in your web browser, and navigate to Google Slides by typing in the URL or simply searching for it on Google. Once you've found it, go ahead and click the link to open Google Slides. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, you'll see an option to sign in, enter your credentials, and you should be ready to go. This step is essential as being logged in allows you to save your presentations directly to your Google Drive for easy access later on. Now that we're at the Google Slides homepage, you'll see the option to start a new presentation. You can either choose to open a blank presentation or select a template if you have a specific style in mind. For this tutorial, let's start with a blank presentation. Click on the option and it will open a new slide for us. We're now in the heart of Google Slides where you have a blank canvas to create your presentation. To add links between slides, click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear and from there select Link. This tool is a powerful way to connect different parts of your presentation. You can create a link by selecting text or an object on your slide, then clicking the link icon. Enter the URL or slide number you want to connect to and press apply. This feature is particularly useful for creating a table of contents or interactive elements within your slides. With links set up, it's time to move on to embedding videos. Again, click on the Insert menu, but this time choose Video from the options. A pop-up window will appear giving you several choices. You can search for a video on YouTube using keywords, or if you have a specific URL, paste it directly into the search bar. Select the video you want to embed and click Select. The video will appear on your slide, where you can resize and position it to fit your layout. And there you have it. We've successfully linked slides and embedded videos into our Google Slides presentation. With these elements in place, your presentation will be both informative and interactive. These features allow you to guide your audience through your slides seamlessly and keep them engaged with rich media content. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be a Google Slides pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.